Most people waste money on tiny daily habits without even realizing it. And today we're exposing 7 red flags that silently destroy your wealth. These aren't big luxury purchases. They're small, repeated behaviors you do every single day. Daily habits quietly erode your wealth, trick you into thinking you're financially smart, and cause thousands in savings to slip away over time. Fix these now, and you'll save thousands every year. Welcome back to Money Mastery, your step-by-step guide to financial freedom and wealth creation. Money Mastery gives you the step-by-step guide that takes you from where you are now to complete financial freedom. Let's uncover 7 hidden patterns that quietly drain your wealth without you even realizing it. Convenience addiction fuels 3 daily habits: grabbing coffee out, ordering food delivery, and taking ride shares that seem harmless but add up fast. Spending just $10 daily becomes $300 a month, which totals $3,600 a year. These micro leaks don't just disappear. They steal from your vacation fund, your investment plan, and even your rent payment. Now let's talk about tracking your money and why it matters so much. Blind spending puts you at the mercy of your impulses, while financial control means deliberately managing every dollar like the wealthy do. Money you don't track simply vanishes, but money you monitor stays under your control and grows. Next up is lifestyle creep, the trap of upgrading too quickly and too often. Your income goes up, your spending follows right behind, and your savings stay exactly where they were. The thrill of a new purchase fades in days, but the burden of paying for it stretches on for years. Let's examine subscription drain, those silent charges that slip by unnoticed every month. Gym memberships, streaming services, music apps, and cloud storage all quietly chip away at your bank balance without you noticing. Now we need to talk about sales psychology and the trap it creates. You think you're saving money because something's on sale, but you're actually spending money you wouldn't have spent otherwise. If you wouldn't buy it at full price, you don't need it at discount price. Investment delay is the quietest wealth killer of all, putting off investing month after month, year after year. Waiting 5 years to invest doesn't just cost you 5 years, it costs you the most powerful compounding years, making the loss exponentially greater. Future regret is expensive. Without a money system, your finances control you instead of the other way around. Scattered money leaves you feeling chaotic and reactive, while organized money gives you structure and control. Having no system leads to overspending, forgotten bills, late fees, and zero savings piling up all at once. A simple money system includes the 50-30-20 rule, 3 separate bank accounts, automatic investing, and a weekly expense check. There's one more layer to explore: emotional spending and how feelings drive our purchases. Buying to feel good, impress others, escape stress, or avoid boredom all lead straight to overspending. Most overspending isn't actually a financial problem. It's a psychological one that needs a different kind of solution. Fix these red flags and you'll see your savings double, your stress drop, and your wealth grow faster than you imagined. If this video opened your eyes, let's make sure you don't miss what's coming next. Hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to stay in the loop. That bell brings you fresh money wisdom every single week, right when it drops. Up next, discover 10 smart ways to save more money without cutting your lifestyle. Keep growing, keep saving smart, and keep mastering your money with Money Mastery.